Welcome to the 7th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 2. In this class, we will demonstrate and explain the use of tools in the toolbar through examples. In the first example, there is a motif that requires to be repeated horizontally with a 20-stitch distance in between. Select the motif area. Use the copy tool on the right. As you can see, with a distance of 20 stitches in between, the background color covering the image. Let's undo and try another trick. First, we add a marker at the position of 20 stitches from the edge of the moon. Add an empty line below the moon to indicate the start of the pattern. Then we select the area again and copy it to the empty space under the panel, as there is no function lines. Then replace the gray background color with color 0 using the Change Color tool. Turn on transparent mode on the top toolbar and use the copy function. Match the red marker to the edge of the first moon and paste the repeat. Use the Change Color tool to remove the red marker. Remove an empty line. Remove the pattern draft below. Turn off transparent mode. Let's look at another example. Let's say we would like to extract a 480 times 360 stitch repeat from this pattern. Use the Select Area tool and input the desired measurements. We now have a fixed select window. Click on the image to confirm the selected area. Then we use the Change Color tool to replace the yellow with color 0. And add the select area into the cache list on the left. Go to the SGP file where we want to use this repeat for pattern fill. Right-click on the pattern in the cache list and select Set up Pattern Fill Parameters. Go to Color Palette Setting and select Merge Palette. Make sure we have turned on Protected Fill. This makes sure that the pattern is not filled at the area marked as protected, for example narrowing and sweep. Click Confirm. Right-click on the pattern in the cache list again and select Pattern Fill, turn on transparent mode, then place the image at the desired position. Let's say we would like to have this pattern on front, back, and sleeve panel. First, let's clear the pattern on the front panel using the Change Color tool, using the Change Multiple to Single mode, and change the pink and black color to gray. Then we return to the pattern file. The pattern is 360 stitch wide, so we need to add a pattern fill marker in the bottom middle, which is at 181 stitch. Use the Select Area tool to locate 181 stitch You can see the width on the right window. Use the Fill tool and use the Define Fill Point mode to add Fill Point 0 at the center bottom. All pattern fill will then use this as a marker and match the position on the panel with Fill Point 0. Change the selected area back to 480360 and add the new pattern to the cache list. Return to the file for pattern fill. Right-click on the pattern in the cache list and select Set up Pattern Fill Parameters. Go to Color Palette Setting and select Merge Palette. Make sure we have turned on Protected Fill. Right-click on the image again and select Pattern Fill at Fill Point. Check all the panels that you want to perform pattern fill. The pattern is then automatically filled matching the fill point position. All standard knit specifications exported with SmartKnitter has a default fill point 0 at the bottom center of the bodice. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.